Meinhardt Pakistan, lighting up your dreams, one circuit at a time. Let's step into the fascinating world of electrical circuit design for a large building. It's an intricate dance of calculations, planning, and meticulous execution, where every wire and switch plays a crucial role in illuminating lives. Let's understand it in 7 steps. Part 1. Understanding the blueprint. The journey begins with a thorough understanding of the building's architectural plans. Our skilled engineers meticulously analyze space usage, lighting requirements, and power consumption to lay the groundwork for a safe and efficient electrical system. Part 2. Load calculation and panel sizing. Next, we delve into the nitty-gritty of load calculations. From high-powered machinery to delicate lighting systems, every electrical element is meticulously accounted for to ensure the system can handle the maximum demand without breaking a sweat. Part 3. Power distribution and cabling. Now, it's time to chart the course of power. We meticulously design the distribution network, ensuring seamless transfer of electricity from the source to every corner of the building. Cables of the right size and type are chosen, safeguarding against overheating and ensuring optimal performance. Part 4. Lighting design and optimization. Let there be light. Our specialists create a symphony of illumination, balancing aesthetics with functionality. We employ cutting-edge lighting technologies and control systems to create the perfect ambience for every space, while keeping energy consumption in check. Part 5. Safety and protection. Safety is paramount. We integrate advanced safety features like circuit breakers, grounding systems, and surge protection to shield your electrical infrastructure from harm. Your peace of mind is our top priority. Part 6. Testing and commissioning. Before flipping the switch, we meticulously test every circuit and component to ensure everything functions flawlessly. Our rigorous testing procedures guarantee a smooth and safe startup. Part 7. Your building thrives with Meinhardt Pakistan's expertise. With Meinhardt Pakistan by your side, your large building's electrical system will not only illuminate spaces but also power dreams. We bring extensive experience, cutting-edge technology, and unwavering commitment to delivering excellence. Contact Meinhardt Pakistan today and let us turn your electrical vision into a shining reality.